Ever wondered if you could ditch your wallet and pay for your groceries, clothes, or coffee with just your phone using PayPal? Today, we're diving into exactly how to do just that, making your in-store shopping experience smoother than ever. First up, the most common and arguably the most seamless method, using the PayPal app directly when you're at the checkout counter. Open your PayPal app, look for the Pay or Send option, which usually has a prominent icon. Tap that, and you'll typically see a Scan to Pay or a QR code generator feature. If the store participates, they'll have their own QR code displayed at the register. You'll then use your PayPal app to scan their code. Once scanned, your PayPal app will show the merchant's name and the amount. You can then confirm the payment right there on your phone. It's quick and secure. Transferring funds directly from your PayPal balance or a linked funding source, you'll usually get an instant confirmation within the app. But what if the store doesn't readily display a QR code, or you prefer the familiar swipe? Good news! You can link your PayPal account to your existing debit card. Go into your PayPal app or website, navigate to your wallet, and select Link a Card. Enter your debit card details just as you would for any online transaction. Now, when you're at a store that accepts card payments, you can simply use your linked debit card directly. The payment will be processed by the card network, but PayPal manages the underlying funding source according to your preferences. It's like paying with your card, but with the flexibility of PayPal managing your finances. Finally, some forward-thinking retailers are integrating PayPal directly into their checkout systems for even more streamlined mobile payments. Look for stores that advertise Pay with PayPal at the physical checkout, or specifically mention mobile wallet compatibility. In these cases, you might be able to initiate the payment through a store app that connects to your PayPal account, or the cashier might prompt you to use PayPal at their terminal. This often involves a simple tap at a contactless reader or selecting PayPal as a payment option on a digital kiosk. Always keep an eye out for the PayPal logo or ask the cashier if they accept PayPal for in-store purchases. Mastering these methods means more payment options and less fuss at the checkout.